It's about 4 p.m. on Saturday, December 28th, 2024. My son is at the other end of this wire. We just set up a new double wire. We're going to move the cows into a row, and we're going to move all the sheep to be beyond the row. I just don't want the sheep mixing with the cows anymore. And I thought about moving them down to where the bulls are, but that's too close to the rams. So I raised up the wire. The sheep can go under whenever they want to. Looking for new lambs. Hi, you might be new. Can I see your lamb? Nope, that one's tagged. Hey there, buddy. If you're wondering, that ewe lamb that didn't connect with her mother, we brought her home. Her name is Dongi. I don't know why my wife called her Dongi, but that's what she's called. And she's getting along just well. Very healthy right now, very strong. She drank all of the colostrum. We gave her a little extra just to be sure. And then we made sure that we have diapers so she can wander around the house. It's not like Rami, where Rami had a broken leg. Wasn't exactly going anywhere fast. These little lambs are pretty rambunctious. So, yeah. So we are nursing her in about a month. Well, I'll probably try to bring her back to the field, see if the mom will let her in. And the answer is probably no. But I can wean her in about a month. She should be just fine eating grass in a month. So about 3 weeks from now, I'll start bringing her to the field every day, letting her enjoy the other sheep and things like that. So come on, guys. Come on. We got, over the past, today we got a bunch of rain, probably 2 inches. And the rain gauge said 2.5 inches, but I didn't really check it since I think Wednesday. So come on, go under the wire. I lifted up the wire for you. You can go under. Come on, you're fine. Psst, psst, psst. Psst, 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 psst. There you go. Psst, psst, psst. That's right, go under the wire. All right, and then I'm going to let him out of this row to join the other sheep. No new lambs today. All right. So they are not going to mix with the cows. The cows make it too muddy. And I am going to give some hay to the sheep though. And then when I move the sheep to a new row, or out of the next row, when I create it, then I'll unroll another bale for them, and the cows can eat what's left over from the sheep. But that way the lambs can nest on the hay, get a respite from the wet, and everything should be hunky-dory. So I'm going to open up this wire and then let them out, and then that will be that of that. So guys, have a great day. Take care and bye-bye.